Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Today's video is more than just a furniture makeover, it's a reminder that beauty can be rediscovered, redesigned, and reborn right inside your own home. Have you ever looked at an old scratch table, a faded cabinet, or a worn-out chair and thought its best days were gone? What if that piece isn't finished, but simply waiting for your vision? In this inspiring episode, Creative Furniture Transformation, Reimagine, Redesign Restyle Old Furniture into Stylish Décor Masterpieces, you're about to see how overlooked furniture can become the most eye-catching statement in your space. In this video, you can expect a complete transformation journey from start to finish. We'll explore how to identify hidden potential in outdated pieces, how to properly prepare and restore surfaces, and how thoughtful design choices can completely redefine a furniture item. You'll discover how color selection changes mood, how texture adds depth and personality, and how small details like hardware, finishes, and styling can elevate a simple piece into a design-inspired decor masterpiece. We'll also share practical tips to help you achieve professional results, even if you're just starting your DIY journey. Beyond techniques, expect inspiration. Expect to shift your mindset from replacing to reimagining. Instead of spending money on expensive new furniture, you'll learn how to transform what you already own into something that feels custom-made and luxurious. Whether your style is modern, rustic, farmhouse, minimalist, or industrial, this process will empower you to experiment confidently and create pieces that reflect your personality. By the end of this video, you won't just see old furniture differently, you'll see opportunity everywhere. And before we dive deeper into this transformation, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily home decor inspiration. If you love creative makeovers, budget-friendly design ideas, and sustainable upcycling projects, this channel is for you. Give this video a thumb up if you're excited to transform old furniture into something stunning, and share it with someone who needs a little creative motivation today. Now, let's begin this inspiring journey and turn forgotten furniture into stylish decor masterpieces that truly tell your story. When you begin a furniture transformation project, the first and most important step is mindset. Instead of focusing on scratches, chipped paint, or faded finishes, start by looking at the structure, the shape, and the craftsmanship. Many older pieces were built with solid wood and durable construction methods that are often stronger than modern mass-produced furniture. A worn dining table might have beautiful legs hidden under layers of old varnish. A dated dresser could have perfect proportions just waiting for a fresh, modern finish. By shifting your perspective, you begin to see possibility instead of damage. This mindset alone is what separates ordinary decorating from creative furniture transformation. Preparation plays a powerful role in achieving a professional-looking result. Cleaning the surface thoroughly removes years of dust, grease, and residue that can prevent paint or stain from adhering properly begins. As the old finish fades away under sandpaper, the natural grain of the wood often reveals itself again, reminding you why the piece deserved a second chance. Choosing a new design direction is where imagination truly comes alive. Some pieces call for a bold modern makeover with deep matte colors like charcoal, navy, or forest green. Others may shine with soft neutral tones such as warm beige, creamy white, or subtle gray for a minimalist aesthetic. If you love rustic charm, you might highlight the natural wood grain with a rich stain that enhances texture and depth. For those who prefer a farmhouse style, distressing techniques can add character and authenticity. Industrial design lovers might incorporate metal handles or black hardware for contrast. The beauty of restyling old furniture is that there are no strict rules. Your creativity guides the process, and the final result reflects your personal taste. Replacing outdated knobs and handles with modern brass pulls, matte black fixtures, or vintage-inspired accents instantly refreshes the design. These small details act like jewelry for furniture, enhancing the overall appearance without overwhelming it. Sometimes even changing the legs of a table or cabinet can give it a completely new silhouette. Swapping bulky traditional legs for sleek tapered ones can transform a heavy piece into something contemporary and light. Budget-conscious homeowners also benefit greatly from creative furniture makeovers. High-end decor can be expensive, but redesigning existing pieces allows you to achieve a luxurious look without overspending. A simple investment in paint, sandpaper, and hardware can yield results that rival showroom pieces. The transformation proves that elegance is not defined by price tags, but by thoughtful design and craftsmanship. Restyling old furniture is not just about aesthetics, it is also about functionality. Sometimes a piece can serve a completely different purpose after redesign. An old ladder can become a decorative shelving unit. A vintage trunk can transform into a stylish coffee table with hidden storage. A worn desk might evolve into a chic vanity station. By thinking creatively about how furniture can be repurposed, you maximize both style and practicality in your home. This flexibility is one of the greatest advantages of upcycling and redesigning. Lighting and placement also play crucial roles in showcasing your transformed furniture masterpiece. Positioning a newly refinished cabinet near natural light highlights the grain and texture of the wood. Styling a redesigned table with complementary decor items such as plants, ceramics, or artwork enhances its presence in the room. The surrounding environment influences how the piece is perceived. So thoughtful staging completes the transformation journey. One of the most rewarding aspects of reimagining old furniture is the sense of accomplishment it brings. Watching a tired, forgotten piece evolve into a stylish decor statement creates a connection between you and your home. Instead of purchasing something mass-produced, you have invested time, creativity, and effort into crafting something unique. Every brushstroke and design decision becomes part of the story. Guests may admire the final result, but you will remember the process behind it, making the piece even more meaningful. Sustainability is another powerful benefit of furniture transformation. In a world where fast furniture often ends up in landfills, choosing to restore and redesign reduces waste and promotes eco-friendly living. Upcycling conserves resources, minimizes environmental impact, and supports a more mindful approach to home decor. By giving old furniture a second life, you are contributing to a culture that values creativity over consumption. Stylish interiors do not have to come at the cost of sustainability. As you continue experimenting with furniture redesign, your confidence grows. What once seemed intimidating becomes an exciting creative challenge. Each project teaches new techniques and reveals fresh ideas. Over time, you develop your own signature style, blending colors, textures, and finishes in ways that feel authentic to you. This ongoing evolution keeps your home dynamic and inspiring. Creative furniture transformation is more than a DIY trend, It is an art form that blends imagination with practicality. It invites you to slow down, observe details, and appreciate the craftsmanship of existing materials. It encourages innovation and rewards patience. Most importantly, it empowers you to shape your living environment according to your vision rather than relying solely on store-bought solutions. As we come to the end of this inspiring makeover journey, remember that every old piece in your home holds hidden potential. That scratched table, faded cabinet, or forgotten chair could become the next stunning decor masterpiece with just a little creativity and effort. Reimagine it. Redesign it. Restyle it. Let your imagination guide the process, and trust that even the most worn furniture can shine again. If today's transformation inspired you, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor for daily home decor ideas, furniture makeovers, and creative upcycling inspiration. Your support helps us continue sharing innovative design projects that turn ordinary items into extraordinary statements. Thank you for being part of this creative community, and until next time, keep transforming, keep designing, and keep turning old furniture into stylish masterpieces that tell your unique story.